Robert Heffernan with EndoTech, exclusively for the Printer Network and EndoTech subscribers. This is Blockchain Vitals. Again, hey, tell me when I'm not buttoned up. This is our weekly segment where I like to talk about the weekly time fractal and things I see on that weekly chart. I am a master endotechnician, firmly in the matrix, trading cryptos, and I can't tell you of a more boring trade. I mean, in the vital section, wait till you see the value range in Bitcoin. It's mind-boggling. I thought possibly unbelievable or unattainable, that value range in Bitcoin. So we'll talk about that in the vitals. First of all, though, let's do the rounds. Doing the rounds, we do it every day, talking about what's in the news in crypto land and reaching for stories because it has been so quiet. I mean, just the range has been ridiculously small and not a lot of news out there. Although one article did catch my attention, and that Bitcoin ATM firm LibertyX in talks or partnership with Gen Mega, ATM manufacturer, hoping to bring 100,000 ATM machines where you can buy Bitcoin, and wondering if this type of catalyst making it that much easier for the general public to go out and grab some Bitcoin. Maybe if it doesn't spur something, I don't know. The market needs something, though. I'll tell you that. It needs a shot in the arm, and maybe that's something that could help in that endeavor. Obviously, for me, it's really just use case and adoption of not just Bitcoin and not just Ethereum, but the tokens that are written on them and the technology as it develops forward. Adoption and use is everything for the long-term health, and the price activity will reflect that going forward. Absolutely. And then another article that I saw today that just, it blows me away that actually people would say that hold or HODL, because of a typo back in 2013, and now we're stuck with this as an acronym for it. Please don't tell me that hold is a trading methodology. It is not. It is not a trading methodology. And the thing that blows me away is they come up with two examples in the article. One, how when Apple was started, the one dude that started it with Steve Jobs and Woz sold his 10% stake in it for $800. You know, it was in a garage at this point. Like that's a reason why you should hold a cryptocurrency going to zero. All right, I just don't even get it. And the other one was Amazon when it came out at 18 and it traded lower to 15 and you got out. Like you had no other chance to get back in. Like, so you should have just held. And let me just tell you something. What they don't bring out is the thousands and thousands and thousands of times where you hold and it goes to zero. And it's hard to see because of the green, but that's my Lehman Brothers stock certificate. I have it. I held it. It went to zero. And how many of these coins are going to go to zero? And why hold? Why hold when it's showing negative price action, especially things that are on exchanges and there is fairly good price liquidity on something? Now, I understand if you're getting into something and there isn't good price liquidity, hold is an option for sure. But the whole landscape, especially in cryptos, has changed so much because of the ability for a market to be developed relatively quickly and for people to exchange liquidity of that asset much easier than ever before in a developing asset class. So please don't tell me about hold or HODL as an investing technique or as a way of, it's not trading, all right? It's not trading. And holding things to zero because the one of them that you held you can always get back in when the price action tells you you should be in. If it's liquid and it's tradable and it's chartable, please don't tell me that hold is a better way to do it. And by the way, if you look at our returns of the bot the ET bot and our portfolio rebalancing, it's black and white. It's right there for you to see the returns of stick your head in the sand and hold, or get out of losers, or get out of things that are going down drastically. Get out of them. Get back in when they show strength. All right, with that, let's talk about that ET bot, because it's available at Kraken. Open your account at Kraken, and then talk to our EndoTech.io. Please go to EndoTech.io and talk to our customer support, and you can have the bot. Although the bot could have went to sleep this weekend because nothing is going on in these cryptos, it was on duty all weekend because cryptos never sleep. They are available for trading 24/7, 365 days a year. And what easier way to be involved in the market than let the ET bot do the trading for you? All right, listen, we got to talk the vitals. We have to talk the not explosive price activity that's going on. But in order to do that, you need to be an EndoTech subscriber. So please go to EndoTech.io and subscribe, or you need to be a Pareto token holder. All right, so do that. One of the two. And I got to say goodbye to YouTube, and we will